see this thing, man? This way I go use it.
Oh.
You can't even reach down and strap yet to put in the car. I have to have it in my living room. See there? In my living room with it.
They have all the good stuff.
Yeah, the man from Zebra Murray was one of the first man them where really push the thing, you know?
Yeah.
Because at the time he had a turbo starlet. Right? And there with him, you know, he was doing some experiments and stuff because at that time it was a learning curve. Nobody knew anything about those cars. Those cars were coming in from Japan, and nobody knew anything about them. You understand? So, based on the fact that he had one, he started experimenting, trying to extract some more power out of it. Did so successfully.
What were some of the things that he did, Lizzie, to make some more power?
Well, I can tell you, he did the first thing that he attacked was the fueling, if I remember correctly.
Okay.
He did the fueling, make sure that the fuel was properly administrated.
Yeah.
You know, if the ratio was correct, right? And after fueling and the setup and stuff, it did boost. It turned up the boost and stuff and got it to a good level.
Yeah.
It was very fast at the time, very very quick. You know. And then we have the same Jocelyn Crawford, who also had a starlet at the time. You know. And from there, just being around them and stuff, you know, we know that, okay, well, this is it. You know? So from there, we just start continuing from there.
Yeah. Cool. So.
Yeah, man.
So
we have to big up Jocelyn Crawford, we have to big up Xavier Murray, you know?
Yeah.
Because, man, I'm a foundation, and no matter what you want to do, the man in my foundation.
Them pay them dues.
Yeah, that's right. Yes, man. We can't forget, you know. No matter what you want to do, you know. Him first run 9. You know
well, as a front wheel drive.
You know me? As a front wheel drive.
Right.
We have to be specific.
Right.
Front wheel drive.
Yeah.
4-cylinder. 9. Now we are talking about years ago.
Yeah.
You understand? And apart from that, we're not talking about no AM, no Haltech, none of them something. We're talking about pump and regulator.
Yeah.
You understand? From them time there, Zebra has mastered the pump and regulator because that's a tricky thing, you know.
Yeah.
And they master the pump and regulator from them time they run 9s. You understand?
Yeah.
So we have to give respect where respect due. You understand? Yeah, man. So that's how the thing set up.
Alright. We're going to fast forward a little bit because, you know, it's a whole heap to talk about in a short space of time.
Yeah, man.
Your biggest project, right? Which would you consider to be your biggest project? Would it be yours or a customer?
Yeah.
Biggest project.
Yeah. Biggest project. Well, to be honest, we have so much of them that it kind of really hard with us pick up one like that, you know.
Yeah.
But I would have to say, maybe it's like the Supras.
The two Jay-Z.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Remember, you know, the back in days,
mm-hmm.
the diner that is in Kingston right now, a lot of people never know so that diner could have read over 1,000 horsepower, you know.
Seen.
A whole heap of man go on a diner there, you know, and it read 1,000, you know.
Yeah.
And when it read 1,000, them not see nothing more. No, them go see one little bump and them say the dino can't read past 1,000.
Yeah.
You understand? I remember the night, and Roland can testify to that because Roland was there.
Mm-hmm.
I remember the night when I went up there with the Supra. And we started.
Which one of the Supras, Lizzie?
The red one.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
That is Dr. Wright.
Yeah.
Yeah. I remember when I finished that car and I go to Kingston with that car. And we started tuning that car. Car reached 800. Everybody excited. Right?
Mm-hmm.
The car reached 1,000. Right? Stop it. Come to me and say, the dyno can't read no further, you know. I say, yeah. So me call my boss and me say, Doc, you know, so them say the dyno can't read no further. What must do? Stop it there, so. Doc said to me, say, why mash up the dyno now, sir? He said, okay, alright, no problem. And me tell the tuner, which is Lance, of course.
Right. Big up Lance.
Lance continue. It's a Lance continue. And when Lance made the next run on the car make 1,050 odd. The amount of phone call when me see a make, get you me couldn't believe. Man, they all about the whole place. Hey, the dyno just passed 1,000.
So you make them know so the dyno can pass 1,000, Lizzie?
And me make them know so the dyno can pass 1,000, boss.
What year this we are talking about now?
Even Lance take up him phone. Right?
Yeah.
And call a man. I'm not going to call no name, but him call him man. No, you see the dyno couldn't pass 1,000. And the dyno there, 1,050 now. Right? He comes up, boom again and touch it again. You know, so we leave the dyno there with 1,165. But because the boost, I give you some problems. Right? You couldn't go past certain amount of boost. And we say, look here, call it a day.
Right.
We're happy with that.
Right.
You understand?
Right.
Right? And we just call it a day from there.
And this is about in what year this, Lizzie?
This is around maybe around 9 years ago. If I remember incorrectly.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Wow.
Yeah, man, around, if I would have confirm and
right.
make sure. But it around
roughly
around that time. And that same engine that is in the car is that same engine. I want Mr. Roland to hear this one, you know.
Him tune in, man.
Same engine. The same engine from that time running now. All the run better run, I don't know, engine will fill up again and come back again. The same engine I run from that time. The same engine where they make 1,165 and it make 1,200 just the other day. Same computer, same everything. You understand?
So,
yeah, man, so
I mean,
one of the project them I love and me say, yeah, you know?
Yeah. So you think it would have safe? You think it would have safe to say that Dr. Wright Red Supra is the first car in Jamaica to go over 1,000 horsepower? You don't want to say that?
No, I can say that. I can say the first car to go over 1,000 horsepower. Or if we have a cause problem, make we say
one off
1,020. Yeah, if it's a cause problem,
yeah,
we say 1,020 then.
yeah,
because we know say no other car never go over that before.
Yeah, yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
We know that for a fact.
Yeah.
Right? So I don't saw the thing set up.
Well, for persons watching and may not know, we're talking to Lizzie, builder, mechanic. You mess around with the tuning, Lizzie?
You want me now? We kind of put it down, you know.
Yeah.
We did our fair share of tuning. We used to leave man them that run go to Kingston at evening time. Tune couple cars and come back down. You understand?
Yeah.
But I'm gonna tell you this. You can't do everything.
True.
You understand?
True.
And some of the things then where we take up sometimes it's stressful.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
Conflict with certain things where you do. Sometimes you have to give it a break. So you just give it a break and move on else.
True. Well, I could fast forward now because the time I move faster than we think. I could fast forward now to your personal project. Right? Now you have you and Bojo.
The personal project what you know about.
What me know about. Alright.
Yeah.
Well, it's easy, you know.
Yeah.
Bojo, you and Bojo basically came out the same time. I mean, of course, persons would have been doing the building and stuff. That one would be doing that before the other. But both of you came out, debuted the same time, correct?
Yes, correct.
All right. Tell us a little bit about your project. It's an all-wheel drive Honda Civic. Tell us a little more.
All right. My car is a K24 turbocharged. Right. It has everything in there in the motor. Capable of making 1,400.
Okay.
Easily. It's an all-wheel drive, as you know. Right. We currently run a 99, right?
Yeah.
With the help of my driver, Mr. Delano Fraser.
Yeah, big up Delano.
Right? Which, here's what I'm going to tell you the truth. Big up, they can tell you, I've been racing a long time, right? We have numerous championships, both at Burner, both at Jamwest, right? And to be honest with you, like when I feel like now, it is more satisfying to me to stop and watch going on the track.
Okay.
Than to be in the driver's seat.
Okay.
That's rich. You understand me? I can see the car going down, analyze everything, see what is happening from there. You understand?
Yeah.
It doesn't mean that I'm a coward. It doesn't mean that I can't drive. You understand? Because we all know that I've been there and done that.
Yeah.
You understand? But it's just a matter of satisfaction. I like to see when it hit up, I like to see when it moves. I like when it hears ship and see what is happening.
Yeah.
You understand? So that's why Delano is more suited for me to say, alright, Delano, drive the car and let me see what going on. Because let me tell you something. Me and Delano come from far. You understand?
Yeah.
I'm like a rival that. In-house rival.
Yeah.
You understand? Now, due to the fact that me know say, he will never beat me again. Let's do it in the past occasion. He deal with me kids at the past and okay, so guess what, man? You do the past, me know, say, you not going to do it again. You can't do it again. You have to give my driver for a pass car.
Yes, sir. All right, Lizzie. All right.
Yeah,
Well, we are getting to it. We are getting to it. So big up Delano, you know, bad driver. You know what I mean?
Yeah, Delano.
Yeah, man. How much power you died? What's the most you get out of the Civic?
All right. We made the last time we went to Jam West. We dynoed it and it made 1,069.
Mm-hmm.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
That is on 32 pounds.
Mm-hmm.
We want the car to run like 50 pounds.
Wow.
Right? That was the whole aim this trip, to let the car run around 50 pounds.
Wow.
But unfortunately, we never get a chance to see exactly what would happen. You understand? What time would be yield.
Right.
Because the first move, we move the car, because we change up a lot of stuff in it. You know, it's still a learning curve. The first move the first launch, it popped the rear axle. Right? Sent for some axles. Sean provided some axles, him and Gaza.
Yeah.
Run go all the way and Mapen, pick up axle, come back, put him back axle in the car, and that's when it shattered the gearbox. The front cover. Right? Since then, we have acquired Billet cover and the transfer case. So I don't think we'll be breaking that anytime soon. Right? But what we need is just some time to go back through the whole car, make sure that everything is okay, and we'll be ready.
Yeah.
I'm looking at that car from before and I'm saying that car is supposed to carry no hits easily.
Because as you mentioned that, I remember the last interview we did, you know, you said that by the end of, when I asked what was your goal, you said to have the fastest what is it, 4-cylinder in Jamaica. Right? Yeah. But we all know in motorsports that, you know, parts fail, you know, and while it is that we can have all the necessary ingredients, you know, some of the time, you know, things just happen. You know what I mean? You know, but I know, Lizzie, that no come off of your list. As a matter of fact, I not even want to talk about the list. I don't even want to mention lists too often around here, you know.
No, because yeah, John, I'm going to tell you something. You know, when you call me to do this interview,
yeah,
I am here and I'm thinking to myself, you know, I hope Kejan don't talk about the list, you know. You understand? I hope you don't talk about that list, you know, but I'm going to tell you.
Yeah.
I still have my shit list. And Roland is at the head of that list.
Same way?
Because him car don't see 9-9 yet either.
Alright.
Him car don't see 9-9, you know.
Okay, sir.
No, him not 9-9.
Okay.
Still practice 60 foot. At 60 foot, him still a practice, you know. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
I want him come up and step down in the 9s.
Okay,
and let me know how lick feel.
So let me ask you this, Lizzie, right? Because, you know, earlier you said that you enjoy looking at the car going down and you know, analyzing it and things. But
yeah,
are you saying that if Roland should show up at the next meet. You'll be the one piloting the Civic.
What I'm saying to you, right?
Yeah.
I wanted to let you understand clearly that I'm willing to pass the place where Porter reached the other day. You understand? To let him know what time it is, I am willing to pass that point.
Hey, make sure you have brakes on the car still, you know. Yo, Lizzie, don't get me no mix up in a virgin.
Yes, man, that's what it's still, man.
They say you're willing to go down 7 Mile Beach, go stop.
Yes, man. Yes, man. Yeah, man. And that's the thing, you know, I'm going to tell you about it, you know.
Yeah.
The thing about it is that a lot of people talk the talk.
Yes.
But they can't talk the talk.
Yeah.
You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
No, driving to me is like you have some people where you call they are gifted. Right? And what they do is what you call natural ability. You understand? I keep on telling people more time about natural ability. You see, a man who born to drive a car and to steer a car, to run a car, that's a beam ability, and natural ability that.
Straight.
No care how you try, you will never drive like that man. You understand? I just saw the thing set up. Something where it just come to you naturally. Now driving and racing, that's something to me that is natural. You understand? Adrian, if you ask Puppy, or you ask Randa, from when they run John West back in the days.
Yeah.
Me are the only man go there 4 times in a one row. And me look on the trophy and say to Puppy, I say, Puppy, them trophy where you making up. Be 10 seconds, you know. More you make them bigger. Because I don't want the whole of them look the same way when we carry them home. Right? And them laugh. It reach a point where before me go a race, then give me 10 second trophy and I go put in my cap and at the time there.
Yeah?
Because they know say me a go win. Me a tell you. They know say me a go win.
At the time, which machine you did have?
At the time, me a run Pulsar.
Same.
Yeah, man, at the time, me a run Pulsar and push out 630.
But Lizzie, your track record look good, man, because you said Toyota, 2J, you said Pulsar, Nissan, and now you're the Honda.
Yeah.
You understand?
Alright, let me explain to you what I go on. Me love Honda because of the availability of parts and the way in which the Honda makes the power.
Same.
But don't get it wrong. If Keith make one bad car tomorrow, me want one. Yeah? The only good thing when me don't want I want Genesis. And we know say that now gonna know it. You understand? But anything apart from that, as long as it's bad, me want one.
So hold on, Lizzie.
Yeah.
What you say? Anything other than a Genesis?
Anything other than a Genesis, me want one, brother.
No, hold on, no. But listen, remember say it's an Evo engine, you know. 4G63. That's in the Genesis.
Bossy, hear what I'm saying to you. If you don't realize, the Genesis are disgrace the engine.
No, hold on, listen. You know, I'm not going to make you do Rollins and leave though. Because remember, I said the Genesis is now the fastest Genesis in the world.
But I'm going to tell you this, but you're not understanding what I'm saying to you, Kedran.
Talk to me.
I agree. I agree. It is the fastest in the world. Because it's only it alone in the world around them the time there. Because nobody now waste no time with no Genesis boss.
Hold on, Roland, let me tell you what Roland say, because I know you're not up on the live. Roland say, gonna make sure anything you come with, the Genesis kill you.
Tell Roland to try run 9-9 first before you open me mouth and talk. You have to run 9-9 first.
Alright, sir.
You understand?
Alright.
Remember, you know, because let me make it clear. Remember, say, you know, Roland can't say anything when he want to say, you know. You see, if Roland never jump back on the ship when he jump off, he would not run no time, and that's the truth about it.
Alright. Ah, boy.
Because we are the dinosaur, you know. We can listen to the dinosaur them for you, you know. The man them will say we are the old mechanic, you know. That means including the old mechanic them, you know. But that means them a foundation with me same way, you know. You understand what I say?
Seen?
So if him never jump on the ship would have sailed and him a gone sink. Genesis would have run 16 so in him pool. It on skyline. You understand?
No, sir. Why, Lizzie?
Yeah, man.
Why, you're not hold back nothing tonight, you know, Lizzie? Alright.
No, me just tell you what it is, you know.
Alright. No.
Bossy. I'm going to tell you something. I want you to listen to me carefully. I'm going to tell you something, I'll call some name of some man. Well, everybody must remember, say, yo, foundation. Because Xavier Murray already. Foundation. Right? Watch me now. Clevey. Me call him Uncle Clevey. Xavier call him Uncle Clevey. Right? Uncle Clevey always said to me, say, make you never run the car, man. I'll call you breadfruit, man. Me always laugh to me step and Ray. And when me start run the car and stuff, people start talk, and whatever. Uncle Clevey said, you ever see a man stand up on an empty mango tree, a chew stone? Me say, no, bossy. He said to me, say, the tree have your beer, and it have your ripe too. Because nobody not chew up on an empty mango tree.
Yeah, nobody not stone an empty mango tree, for real.
No, so that's why Roland took my name, so. You understand? If the tree is empty, you wouldn't call my name. If me never word, you wouldn't call my name.
Well, I tell you something. Roland is saying, you know, because I know you're not up on the life, you see. Roland is saying that you, Lizzie, have still not beat his personal time.
What is it? What is his personal time?
10-0.
When I wish 10-0, what am I talking about? 10-0 in a which car? We do it how much years ago? Which car are we talking about?
Roland.
The Pulsar run 10 over. So which car are we talking about? How much years ago we talking about?
Well, you know what I love about this? The 2-1 personal best would have been 10-0.
Yeah.
Right? So that me love that. No. I want question more make sure I ask before the live even done, you know. Can fans, because I talk about fans now, right? People who are going to spend their money, come and race, come watch you. Go on. Van, big up yourself. Right? Can fans see Mr. Crawford versus Mr. Audie Cowan?
Alright, what I'm saying to you now, my boss.
Yes, sir.
What I'm saying to you. We're not there for the whole heap of long talking.
Alright.
You understand? Jam West is it. We're going to wait until when the little flu virus blow up. Right? This COVID business, I just want it to just blow up and everything go back to normal.
Alright.
You understand? And we just settle the matter. You understand?
Alright.
Because I can tell you, you know, if him talk to Damage right now, Damage would have tell him, say, yo, leave that business alone. You understand? That will hurt your stomach. That food is very spicy. You can't digest it. Cantonese. Leave it alone. But Roland is a man with hard of hearing, so we have to just beat and teach.
Beat and teach.
Beat and teach.
Why, oh why? You know,
and if you want, you can line up something somewhere in Mexico. And sort him out, pass and brace.
Tell you what, you see, with the power level of these machines, right? Yeah. When COVID ease up, yeah, we're circle it in front of the crowd. Because you up now.
Okay.
Yeah, we're circle it in front of the crowd. Yeah, man, because yeah, you know, I have to give it to Roland. Roland was the winner at the 10-second class last meet. Gone home with him trophy and him cash. Although him not giving no night still, but big up Roland.
Yeah, man, we love that, man. Big up Roland.
Yeah.
In the 10 seconds.
Yeah. So it's a good look. And personally, yo, I can't wait to see that showdown there, honestly. Because it was supposed to happen. And you know, yeah. So that's still one of the, I don't want to use the word listener, man. That's still one of the things to do for this year, considering that, you know, this thing, COVID thing, blow off. You know what I mean? Yeah. And I just want to say big up to the sponsors. Hold on, Lizzie, 1 second. 1 second, Lizzie. I just want to big up the sponsors. Again, Kenty Racing, Jamaica Race Drivers Club, WAP Performance, Zidage Performance, Massive Auto Parts. Right? Yeah. Lizzie, as you were saying.
Yeah. I whole heap of things in the making, man.
Yeah.
I not really to talk about certain things. But a whole heap of things in the making.
Is there anybody?
What happened is,
and you add anybody to the shit list?
No, I don't really add nobody, you know. I don't add nobody because what happens now, everybody calm. You see what I drive out the last time?
Every man silent.
Everybody calm.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, man, everybody silent.
Uh-oh.
I just roll on alone and understand what is what. So, we have to just beat and teach him, make him know what is what.
Uh-oh.
You understand?
Tell me something. Remind me, Lizzie.
Is the Honda is the problem, you know?
Mm-hmm.
And the Hondas is the problem. Roland don't really like Hondas, you know?
Okay.
That's the problem, you know. So, what happen now, he might jump on the car, you know, a little bird say he might kill the Honda them. But one of the Honda them now run over 8. So he said that out in league, so he nobody run with that one there again. Just say, okay, alright, and they gone. Let me stick to the one then near to 10s. You understand? But as far as what I see and what I know, you have quite a few all-wheel drive Hondas coming out.
Hold on. You know, say, hold on, Lizzie, man. You know, say you have to go give it a sneak peek right here, right now, you know.
But what me I said to you, what me I said to you is, I am just going to say that there are quite a few coming out. And we'll leave it at that.
Alright. So we'll talk off the air.
Alright, Mama.
Why, it ain't easy.
Yeah, man.
Hey, trust me.
You know,
yeah, go ahead, Lizzie.
I want to take the time still to big up Arville Williams. Willie.
Yeah.
Because I don't know if you realize that Willie ran 10s with the Pulsar, right? 4-wheel drive, 17-inch wheel, Burnham field, track no prep. Years ago. And him come back and him run 8-3. That's what I say? So no matter when nobody wants to say 4-cylinder, 4-wheel drive, you know, I him are the boss when they command to them something. We have to give him a banana, for him respect. You understand what I say? Yeah, man.
For real.
Because them man, they have foundation. We have to make it be known.
For real.
You understand?
For real.
Watch it now. Kenneth Kimal. I want to tell you a little thing. I know so we have sometimes to come out, but I'm going to tell you this before. I could not understand what I go on.
Yeah.
When Neil come to me and Neil said to me, say, he must go build an all motor to run 10 seconds. And I say, all motor. And me have sum up the money we have spent to do the all motor and sit down. Me kind of said to me, say, boy, that don't look possible, you know. Now with this track and they must suck me and ray, and, you know. But the man, they have a vision. He have a vision from that time, you know. You know what I'm saying? And when he come out and he run the time, believe you me are one of the man who will look at me and say, I'm going to knock off in peace and say, yo, Virgin, you know what I'm saying? Me never really did believe 100%, but you know what I'm saying? You have your back right, too. You understand me? And no matter where you want to do, him are the first man go up on the 9-second moon with the all motor.
Straight.
No matter who want come next or who want do whatever, him first go up on the 9-second moon. Just like how Willie go up on the 8.3 moon there, who-wheel drive, fourth cylinder, him first do it.
And Buju go up on the 8.8 on the moon there.
And Buju go up on it. Look here, if me even run 8 again, it don't make no difference because Buju did jump on that already.
Yeah.
Big up Buju. You don't know. Yeah, man. So I just saw the thing. When we want the youngster them we are coming at the thing, you know. I just respect the hell of them.
See.
And we're there at the thing long time.
See.
You understand? Mr. Murray can tell us, when we are Bill Carr them time they ask. I thought we never had no lean rich gauge. No, white band, sorry. No white band never did them time, them boss. Lean rich gauge we are used. And piggyback, fields, super 8C.
Them days there.
And them something that we are run. Right? And guess what? No casualties of war. We never hurt the engine. We never damage nothing.
Yeah.
Okay, I used to run a little bit richer than we used to run and all them something, but he not dead.
Nah, boom.
And now with the technology, we're out now. Right? And white band from all cylinders, all exhausts, EGT rate, carry that same way. So what go on? You look like dinosaur, them do you know what go on? And that they look like to me. That's so I just saw the thing set up. You know what I say?
Well, you know, Brown brother some for ask about the starlet with Nasp on it.
Alright, you see, Brown bread, big up yourself. We are on starlet from them time there. We are back when to we are on turbo starlet, GT turbo starlet. We kind of go more in depth with the whole setup. Front mount intercooler, turbo upgrade, putting in different cams and stuff, and we run, my aim was to try to run low boost on the road but get maximum efficiency out of it. Right? So at one point in time we are run 20 pounds on the road. Yeah, fast, but we get used to it. One day we go check Lickles them. Lickles, big up yourself. And his brother was down there, Lodi. And I said to Lodi, Lodi, you think about your own Lickles, you know? What do you think? And Lodi said to me, hey, all you have to do, man, I just spray it, man. Run a dry shot. And I say, instead of spray, man, all it will cool down the charge. And I say, what you say? So true, I don't know nothing about it now. we just turn down the boost to 5 pound. And go close to down a area, down a spur tree. And we lick you up the hill. When we lick you up the hill, I say, yo, but bad. So next day again, me go and turn up 10 pound and me lick you again and me have to wait. A while. So till one night, me and Corey, I tell you, say me and Corey in the battlefield long time. One night, him a run a Honda LS. And we come up the hill. That time, he hate Honda, you know, because I tell you what I want, you know. Because I shoot about it in a Pedron. No, for the man, they will hate Honda, you know.
Yeah.
See? Because in the position to buy one Honda, you know. That is just about it, you know. Right? Them spend so much money in the Toyota.
Yeah.
That the crossover will be too expensive, so then just say, alright, you
Can't
know.
bother.
Yeah, you get the Honda them now, man, the Honda take with them. That's what the thing set up. You understand?
Is it?
Anyway, that night we are come up. And Corey, no matter what me do, Corey a corner better than me, because you know Turbo Starlet can't corner.
Yeah.
So me depend 20 pounds, you know, because me and him bang up on one liquor.
Yeah.
Don't I eat it.
Yeah.
Don't I eat it. So, I come up here now and every time you go through the corner, I give me around 2 gallons. So when I go up on the street again, me just press the button one time. You understand? I don't know nothing big enough, just one little 50 shot on the 20 pound. But when you're on the 50 shot on the 20 pound, you know, the boost gauge is 25 pound, you know, when you're licking, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, the boost gauge move. Oh, yes, man, the boost gauge move.
Oh.
So when you lick it, catch him up back. Yeah, man, every time you lick it, I just stand power, I catch him up back, man. So when you turn on the heel, you know, go up. Go on the funny, I mean, I say, go hard to go. So when you move, you know, I say, no, so I go hold it down, I touch you and let it go. So when you hold it down in a third gear, and I see it real spin all the time. I go rip. I go forward. I mean, well, I mean, I tell you, I catch on to how it's sweet now, man. Me just hold it down again, you know.
Yeah.
And when me pass him flying, you know. And boy, I tell you how it's sweet now, man. Me go flip and me just hold it down again, you know. And he run go lick limit in a fifth, you know. And at the time, you know, me look and me say, well, if the engine can't mash up, that time, we got to have stock internals, you know, my boss. You understand? Me I say, if the car can't mash up at the time, then nothing can make it mash up again, you know. So from this, so now, we start run 20, 25 pound with me 50 shot.
Okay. So
yeah,
you're on nitrous now on the all-wheel drive Civic?
No. No. Because what happened is, let me tell you, the whole setup was geared not really to run the NAS.
Okay.
The turbo size and everything was done
to spec
deliberately. Yeah. So we would have no problem with any form of lag.
Okay.
You understand me? Yeah. So me not really.
Yeah, go ahead.
Say it again?
No, I say, who is your tuner?
Yeah, me not really. Lance.
Okay.
Lance Holland.
Right.
One of the baddest tuners around. You understand? Lance is very meticulous. You understand me? And when him took the key them at the right place here now, sir.
Yeah, man.
You know, him and the key them have some form of relationship where me not understand. You understand? But me just love him with that. Him took my button there and everything good and everything Chris. Yeah, man, I'm my boss that. Big up yourself, lads.
Yeah, man. Well,
yeah, man.
I have one last question before me start ask some questions from the comments. So, persons who you have any question for Lizzie, you can just post them real quick. Yeah, because post milk is next. Yeah, we don't really want to spend the whole night.
Yeah, man. Big up post me.
Yeah, man. Coming back out, Lizzie. What do you hope? Cause you know we can't predict speed. I understand. But what you hope for the next time, next outing?
Alright. Me, honest with you, I am gonna just put it a better way for you.
Mm-hmm.
You understand? Alright. You can predict speed, you know.
Mm-hmm.
But you just can't predict when it will happen.
Mm-hmm.
But you can predict speed. Now, that setup that is in the all-motor car, the four-wheel drive, all-wheel drive car,
Mm-hmm.
it actually started out as a front-wheel drive, right?
Mm-hmm.
We were building that car to bridge the 8-second barrier as a front-wheel drive,
Yeah.
right? And then after that now, me have some very good friends. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
We have Gary, who is abroad. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
Where, well, me don't know. We couldn't do nothing without him.
Mm-hmm.
You understand? Because anytime we call him and we say, yo, you know, so we need so and so and so. Him not bother itch.
Yeah.
Him just, alright, so and so.
Mm-hmm.
You understand?
Mm-hmm.
Delano, I'm a brother that. You understand me?
Yeah.
But, as I said, that car, based on the setup that is in it,
Mm-hmm.
I am looking for low it with that car.
Okay.
I am trying to go 8.0
Mm-hmm.
or below.
Okay.
You understand?
Straight.
The track, I'm not 100% sure. I know the start is good. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know if high boost in third and fourth gear, I don't know in the middle of the track how it will handle.
Mm-hmm.
But we are going to go and take time, turn up
Right,
a little.
right. Dial it in.
We need to go.
Mm-hmm.
Dial it in, because if you realize we haven't had any form of seat time in the car.
Right.
You understand? We haven't had any time of seat time in the car.
Mm-hmm.
The first time when Delano went with the car, we have brand new brakes, brand new stuff, not bedding properly.
Mm-hmm.
You know?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So he was even letting out before. And, you know, so
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
we know that he can go down there. It's just time.
Yeah.
So
all right.
we just have to just spend some time and get it sorted out.
All right. Kara, I was asking earlier what size tire you run on the Supra.
And the in terms of slicks,
Yeah.
on the red Supra,
Yeah.
alright, it's the Supra is 26, but for confirmation for that you'd have to ask Doc,
Mm-hmm.
because he's the one who started out the slicks and stuff on the car.
Okay. Okay. Anybody else who have any questions, just drop them because we're almost on the wrap up. 5 minutes to go. Again, I just want to say big up to the sponsors: Kenty Racing, Jamaica Race Drivers Club, WAP Performance, Zidage Performance, and Massive Auto Parts. Alright, Lizzie. Recently I saw a post by the 9-second king, you know, with a nice Mazworks setup.
Yes,
you know.
right. That's alright.
All right.
That's alright.
All right. What? 1 second there. Lizzie, how long you doing mechanic, and what was your greatest challenge? Blue printing an engine when you start.
All right. As we say, we started mechanic work in 2000.
Mm-hmm.
But you know, you're at the learning curve, you know.
Yeah.
You started going full out maybe in 2007 in terms of full blueprint building, and your head have to be on your body. You have to know exactly the tools that is needed to do the job and how to use the tools. Because a lot of mechanics have a whole lot of tools. Right? You tell them about tools, they can tell you, oh, I have this, I have that, and they can't use one of them. You understand? You buy performance rods with bolts and stuff. They go ahead, they're going to torque it, right? They don't have the proper torque range and stuff, because I'm going to tell you the truth about it. Not all torque range are the same. Right? If you buy one of the cheaper torque range,
yeah,
you will realize that it is a little bit off.
Oh, okay.
You understand? Yeah, the key to it is to buy quality tools and know how to use them.
We'll be driving the Civic the next meet.
Well, I am going to take a drive off it. But at the moment, Delana will be driving 2 cars.
Okay. Somebody else was asking what kind of fuel you're running.
Okay. On the Civic, I'm running C85.
C85. Alright.
C85.
Alright.
But the whole setup was built so that we could run methanol. So we actually running 12 injectors, 2000 cc injector. But that is the second half of the program. The C85.
Somebody's asking if Porter is still on your list, on your shit list.
Well, I'm gonna tell you, he's not on my list, you know.
Okay.
He's not really on my list. You know. I have to cross him off from early, you know.
Okay.
Because I realized that because it was a waste of my time.
Okay. Alright.
Yes,
Alright.
due to unfortunate circumstances.
Right.
You know, I'm sorry that the incident took place. I know he's coming back again. You know, because he's a very determined young man. So I know that he'll be coming back again. And I wish him all the best.
Alright. Let me see now. Bam. Somebody was asking what's the most powerful car you ever built?
That would be the Supra.
The Supra. Alright.
Yeah, the red one.
Alright. Steven is asking if a M1 you use for the Civic.
No. As I said, we're planning to. But we run C85 now still. We have everything to run it safely. But we're running C85 now.
Mousy is asking which turbo you're running.
Alright, the turbo I'm running now is Gen 2 7675. Precision.
Precision. Okay. any other question, peeps? We pretty much on the wrap up. What turbo on the Civic? Yeah, him just answer that spaceship. Yeah, man. So yeah. I see a couple people still tuning in. I see Chuku was here earlier. Omar Everin, the 9-second king, has arrived and he's asking why is he not on your list?
Look here, let me tell you something. Everin, I'm a friend. And I don't want to hurt him. So I better I don't try to come on this list. You understand?
I seriously say up there, Lizzie.
He would have to import. Listen to me, Kedron. He would have to import the whole of mass works down here. And not only the engine.
Alright, sir. Omar, I think Lizzie responded to your question, sir. All right. Any other question? Yeah, Lizzie.
I want to big up one of my very good friend them.
Yeah.
Who has supported me through the whole of my build them. We can call him all the while. You understand? And he will let me know what time it is. He was there from the Pulsar days. We're talking about Mr. Sean Ivy from Ivy Technology. Right?
Yeah.
Very good friend. He was always there with me through all the bills and everything. You know? Lance Holang, my tuner. Yeah? Greg from Machine Gun Wild. You know? Yeah, man. Them support me a lot.
All right.
Flynn Crawford.
See me.
Yeah.
All right.
See me.
All right. Zidaj is asking, big up Jody, based on what you observe at the World Cup, is there anything you'd like to see implemented in Jamaica for better races?
Why? The World Cup is the serious enough, brother. But I just want to take prep when they have over there and carry come to Jamaica, and we just get one good track same time. A good track with the track prep. And we good. We not no problem. You understand?
All right.
Because basically when we see, what I see is the track prep and the track. That's what I see.
Cool. One person was asking, what would you say is the best car to race?
All right. Best car to race. I'm going to tell you the truth. The best car to race right now, at what you call a low budget, is a Honda. Okay, John?
Yeah.
Me know say, wrap up, you know. And you know say me dey home, right?
Yeah.
So, me gonna just copy a little thing.
All right.
So, Roland. In my living room there, you know.
All right.
Me gonna copy a little thing for sure. Roland, what me gonna use kill him.
All right. So peeps, you just wait. Lizzie will be back in a short while. I'm gone for.
No, we're not gone too far.
Oh, you're not gone far.
See we are, man, right there, come on. You see this thing, man? This we are gonna use kill him.
Oh.
You can't even reach down and stop get to put in the car. Me have to just have it in my living room. See there? In my living room there. See there?
Hold on, Lizzie. Don't move. Make them see it good. Yeah, keep the camera steady on it. Make them see what I go on.
Yeah.
Wow.
You have to big up. You have cartel.
All right.
You have cartel, you know? Yeah.
Boy, I see Roland a post. 2 eyes gone up in the ear like he must say, well, what's that? Well, couple days, I mean, we soon know what time it is.
Yeah, man, him soon know what time it is.
Boy, Lizzie. Alright, well, Roland said that now I'm going to help you, so make we see now. Make we see.
Alright, we soon know.
We soon know. Hey, listen. I have to say, big up, much respect for, chilling with us for a few.
Big up yourself, man. Big up 876 Streets.
Respect, bro. Respect. Yeah, man.
Always have a back.
Always, And we just...
NT, big up yourself.
Straight.
Oda, big up yourself.
Straight.
Perry, big up yourself.
Yeah.
Robert, big up yourself.